Actually, exit 925 sometimes could be an entrance to a new adventure. So therefore today we picked up our new ride. We already got all our stuff in and ready to hit the road. But first we're gonna take a short room tour. So we start off in the bedroom, which should fit the two of us easily. Also down there there's our garage where we can put all our stuff in. Then on this side there is more space for putting my longboard in, and there is the kitchen stuff and some other toys. Then there is the cabin, which looks quite nice and tidy. And on the other side, down there we have a fridge and also a water tank. So we should be alright, and now we are going to get some groceries and then we are going to hit the road. So see you over there! We just came out of the Netto and this is what we got. One cart full of groceries, and that is 124 euros. So Iceland is quite expensive, but Netto and Bonus are the most cheapest, if you can call it that, the cheapest options. And actually here in Reykjavik the options for vegan food is pretty good. We'll see how that works when we get further out. So now it's time to hit the road. So we hit the road, and never should start with solo. That's true. When you start hitting the road in Iceland, you will not be disappointed. Epic views on this.
Unless your car is breaking down exactly at the scoring point, then you might be very disappointed. Just saying.
On this channel we are more on the positive side, but yeah, never mind. So wherever you look, it's epic views. The streets are absolutely amazing actually until now. We'll see how that goes for the next couple of days. But yeah, like there's fields of gravel which looks awesome. There are like giant mountains in the far back.
I wonder if I saw this love as anything beside another place to hide. When the sky said the winter time is coming on, and you cry to see a shadow, babe, it's growing long across the lawn. Another song.
After that pretty steep hike we did up here, all the way over there is a but we still got a pretty good view. And now we go down to our fields, check those out, join us there and take another one on the bucket list. We made it all the way down and we're about to get pretty close to a lava field of the neck. It actually looks quite impressive down here. From up there it looks pretty small, but down here it's like massive. So let's check it out. Way down here it gets even more impressive. because you realize that thing is like 4 meters thick or even more, and I don't even know how far it goes down. And now, to tick it off the bucket list, touched. And it's a little warm, but it's not hot, and as you can imagine, it smells pretty bad. After this 3-hour hike up and down the volcano, we decided it was time for another hike, so we took on another 4K, but totally worth it because we're here. This is a natural hot spring, which has like, I don't know, it's 30 degrees, I don't know, it feels really hot. And after this exhausting day, this is the best way to chill, relax, exit all the stress. So we're going to stay here for a while, and then we're going to find a camping ground eventually, hopefully, and stay there for the night and up for another adventure tomorrow. If you want to escape the everyday life with us again, then make sure to hit subscribe down there, and I'll see you over there. I forgot to tell you to explore the world and beyond. And by the way, that's a subscribe button, that's another video. See you over there.